In our last intelligence drop, we exposed a terrifying shift in modern warfare. We detailed exactly how the military now uses artificial intelligence to calculate and select targets in milliseconds. In other words, the battlefield now has a digital brain. But if artificial intelligence is choosing the targets, where exactly does that brain live? It doesn't live inside a concrete military bunker. It lives in the cloud. And last week, the geopolitical calculus changed forever. Iran didn't just absorb an algorithmic strike, they retaliated against the brain itself. They launched drone strikes against Amazon Web Services data centers in the Gulf region. Not a military base, not an aircraft carrier, a commercial data center run by Amazon. The era of the cyber proxy war is officially over. We have just entered an era where the cloud itself is a physical military target. For the last century, military infrastructure was obvious to everyone. If you wanted to cripple an enemy, you bombed their airfields and their weapons factories. But today, the most critical infrastructure in the world blends seamlessly into civilian suburbs. Massive data centers, buildings the size of shopping malls filled with tens of thousands of servers. Inside those server racks is the software that runs the global economy. But increasingly, those exact same commercial platforms host the data governments use to analyze intelligence and coordinate military operations. When civilian tech and military targeting run on the exact same architecture, civilian infrastructure becomes strategic terrain. And in war, strategic terrain always becomes a target. What does this mean for you, sitting thousands of miles away from a conflict zone? It means the illusion of distance is dead. When a drone strikes a data center, power systems fail, cooling systems shut down, and servers melt. Within minutes, entire digital ecosystems disappear. To you, it won't look like a war. It will look like a massive technical glitch. Your banking app locks you out. The digital payment network at your grocery store stalls. Your navigation and ride-sharing apps stop loading. Global flight schedules are thrown into chaos. But what you are experiencing is not a glitch. It is collateral damage. Your digital life was hosted on the same server farm that a foreign military just classified as a hostile target. Until now, hackers fought in the shadows. We saw this with digital viruses like Stuxnet or the XE backdoor. But cyber warfare has limits. You can patch software. You can restore data from a backup. You cannot patch a crater. When the cloud becomes the central nervous system of global warfare, hackers are no longer enough. The attacks become physical. Drones and missiles targeting the walls, the power grids, and the water cooling pipes of the internet itself. Blind the servers, blind the AI. And suddenly, the digital brain guiding the enemy goes dark. The battlefield is no longer a piece of geography. It is the data center down your street. This brings us directly back to the system we exposed in our last briefing. The specific AI pipeline the military is using to assist battlefield decisions today. If you want to understand why a commercial data center is now worth attacking, you have to understand the artificial intelligence operating inside of it. Click the video on your screen right now to see exactly how that AI targeting pipeline works. Because once you understand the brain, you'll understand why the cloud is the most dangerous battlefield on Earth.